is for apple. 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 A apple. B is for baby. 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 B baby. C is for candy. 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 C candy. D is for diamond. 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 D diamond. G is for elephant. 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 D elephant. F is for fairy. 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 F fairy. G is for glasses. 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 G glasses. H is for hand. Hand. H hand. I is for igloo. 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 I igloo. J is for jelly. 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 J jelly. K is for keyboard. 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 K keyboard. L is for ladybug. 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 L ladybug. M is for monkey. 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 M monkey. N is for needle. 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 N needle. O is for orange. 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 O orange. P is for pony. 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 P pony. Q is for queen. 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 Q queen. R is for rainbow. 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 R rainbow. S is for spider. 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 S spider. T is for tiger. 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 V tiger. U is for umbrella. 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 U umbrella. V is for violin. 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 V violin. W is for whale. 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 W whale. X is for xylophone. 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 X xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. 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 Y yo-yo. Z is for zebra. 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 Z zebra.
Subscribe my channel.